Hey y'all! Have you ever wondered how to work with hair that's fragile, fine, and thinning? My name is Gabrielle Henderson, and I'm a certified trichologist and Nioxin artist, and I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do for clients with hair loss concerns. Let's go! Okay, so I'm going to pop in here and just stop her for right now. This stylist is on the phone, not sitting at eye level, and not taking the time to check the scalp or the hair. Let's take a look at how to do a proper consultation. Here you can see I'm introducing myself, getting to know the client, and learning what they're looking for. I'm taking time to assess the scalp and hair. I'm looking for density, texture, wave pattern, areas of concern, and their starting level. Okay. No. This stylist is being very aggressive, doing some rough teasing, sloppy application, not enough product, swirling the ends, crunching the foil, all bad. Now let's watch how I, a professional, demonstrates the correct way to do it. I'm taking a clean section, using a blow dry with light pressure to separate the hair. I'm fully saturating the hair with lightener and folding the foil gently. Overall cleanliness and gentle care, 10 out of 10 if I do say so myself. No. Obviously, we don't want to pump the shampoo right on the head, and she's not using enough product. She's using her fingernails, and look how long they are, girl. And she's being rough while shampooing. She's not moving the product through the entire scalp or through the ends. That poor client. This stylist is using the right amount of product. For delicate hair, do a gentle massage, focus on scalp, but make sure to get through the ends as well. Checking to make sure you got the whole scalp and didn't miss any spots. And make sure you use your finger pads, not fingernails. Red flag. She's using a fine-tooth comb on towel-dried hair. She's being really rough with delicate hair and the conditioner right on the scalp and smeared throughout. You can see I'm using the right amount of product to the ends, working my way up. Begin with gently detangling with your hands first to move the product through the hair, also making sure to do this using small sections. a detangling brush, begin at the ends and work your way up. For customers who have scalp concerns and delicate hair, make sure you focus on both the scalp and the hair. One great thing about Nioxin is the conditioner is designed to go directly on the scalp. Let's talk Shinefinity. Shinefinity is great for delicate hair because it has zero lift and causes zero damage. I'm beginning at the ends of the hair where she has the most lightness. Then I'm applying around her face where I did the highlights, and make sure you comb it all the way through for an even color result. You can go pop some pizza rolls in the air fryer for 20 minutes while it's processing, and then we rinse. Look how easy that was. I'm not going to be dramatic with this one, but this is a stop. So although you may need to establish the length with one line, you don't want to stop there because it'll make the hair look flat and heavy, which defeats the purpose of trying to create volume on hair that's low density. You'll want to add graduation to create volume for thicker, fuller looking hair. And layers to create movement and shape. Using point cutting for a softer line as opposed to a bulky line that can make the hair look choppy. Okay, I'm gonna need her to back up a bit. She sprayed scalp product all over the hair and smushed the mousse on top of the head, pressing the hair to the scalp. First of all, the scalp product has to go where? On the scalp for the benefit she wants. Pressing the mousse to the scalp can cause buildup, which can lead to other scalp issues. So here's how you should apply product for this type of client. I'm focusing on scalp, root, and strand. First, I'm applying a scalp treatment to address her concerns. Then on the root area, I'm adding a product specifically for lift. On the strand, I'm using a mousse and a heat protectant. By addressing these three areas, I can give her a custom style. We need to give her a break, so we're going to stop her right now. For clients who have fragile hair, teasing isn't always the best option because it can cause breakage at the root area, and that'll make the hair look thinner. Instead, use a round brush for your blow dry for volume. I'm over directing the hair for maximum volume, and I'm using a vent round brush to get the hair dry as quickly as possible in a gentle way. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to learn more, visit Nioxin.com. For more education, visit WellaEd.com. Don't forget to download the Wella app. Find us on all social media platforms at Wella Education.